Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of disassembling the back glass of an iPhone 14. Let's dive right in. First, we're applying a specialized adhesive removing liquid around the edges of the back glass. Using an opener tool, gently work your way around the edges to loosen the glass. Take your time and use soft, steady pressure. Any misstep could cause the glass to crack. Once the back glass is detached, carefully remove the wireless charger flex. Next, unscrew the necessary screws to complete the process. And that's it. The back glass of the iPhone 14 has been successfully removed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Got questions or need further help? Feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.